Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, inshallah, we will continue our lesson about the vectors. We stopped on page number 95. So, open page number 95 in your booklet. The parallelogram rule. What is a parallelogram rule? If we have A, B, C, D, a parallelogram, then the vector AB plus AD is what? Is the vector of diagonal AC. So if we have AB as a vector plus AD as another vector, the answer is what? The answer is AC. This is the first rule. So this is the rule about the parallelogram. The rule about the triangle, if we have ABC, a triangle with a median AD, if you remember what is the definition of the median, what is the median? The median is the line segment connects the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. So if AD is a median, then AB, this vector AB plus AC equals what? Equals the vector of the median by 2. So AB plus AC equals to AD. Okay, so this is the rule about the triangle if there is a median on it. Then remarks about the triangle. Remark number 1, if we have a triangle like this ABC, so AB, this one, AB minus AC equals what? Equals CB. So AB minus AC equals CB. And as we talked before, we can write it like this: AB as a vector minus AC. How can we get over this minus? We can make it plus, but it will be CA, not AC. Okay, so if you want to change this sign to be plus, we will converse the letters. It will be CA, not AC. Okay, so remark number 2. If we have AB as a vector plus BC, the answer is AC. Okay, so AB plus BC, the answer is what? Is AC. Okay, so let's go to the example number 5. ABCD is a parallelogram, as we see here. M is a certain point in its plane. E is the point of intersection of its diagonals AC and BD. Prove that MA plus MB plus MC plus MD equals 4ME. Okay, so this is a parallelogram that we are talking about. ABCD is a parallelogram. M is a certain point in its plane. E is the midpoint of intersection, or the point of intersection of its diagonals AC and BD. Prove that. Okay, so since ABCD is a parallelogram, then the diagonals bisect each other. It means, so what are the diagonals here in this figure? The diagonals are AC and BD. So this is the properties of the parallelogram. If we remember, the diagonals bisect each other. It means الdiagonals اللي هو AC and BD bisect each other. معناها ان AE equals EC and DE equals EB. This is the meaning of the diagonals bisect each other. So okay, so this is the first point we have to know. In parallelogram, the diagonals bisect each other. Okay, so let's go on triangle MAC. Okay, so be focusing on this triangle MAC. So what do we have in this triangle? Triangle M. Okay, I will share it with you. MAC. So what do we have in this triangle? We have a median ME. Oh, ME is a median? Yes, because it is a line segment connects the vertex to the midpoint of opposite side. Okay, so what is the rule about a triangle that has a median? Remember with me? Yes, if we have AMC as a triangle and we have ME is a median, so MA as a vector plus MC as a vector equals to ME. Okay, so this is the first thing about this triangle, because ME is a median. Okay, so let's focus on the triangle MBD. Okay, so the triangle MBD. What do we have in this triangle? Yes, we have a median. ME is a median. Why? Because E is a midpoint of BD. So why E is a midpoint of BD? Because as we said before, the diagonals bisect each other. So ME is a median. So in triangle MBD, because ME is a median, so the vector MB plus MD equals to ME. So this is the equation number 2. So we have two equations. Equation number 1 in the triangle MAC and equation number 2 in the triangle MBD. So by adding 1 and 2, when we add the two equations together, okay, this and this, we will add the left side that has here and here. It has MA plus MC plus MB plus MD. The result is what? Is 2MA plus 2ME, which is 4ME. So MA plus MC plus MB plus MD equals 4ME, and that is the required to prove. Let's go to example number 6. ABCD is a parallelogram in which A equals to -2, B 4, -2, C 2 and 3. Find the coordinates of the point B. We studied before in prep 3 how can we get this point, but inshallah in this year we will learn how to get it without using the rules of prep 3. Okay, so let's draw the triangle. So before you answer this question, you have to draw the triangle and write down the points that you are given. Okay, so this is the parallelogram, and these are the points A, B, C, and D. That D is the point that we don't know. Let it X and Y. So our mission to find what? To find X and Y. Okay, so because ABCD is a parallelogram, as you know, the vectors AD and BC, this one and this one, are equal. So the vectors equals means two vectors are equal. It means what? It means two things. It means they are the same in length and they are parallel to each other or in the same line. But here in our question, they are parallel and they are equal in length. So the vector AD, this one, the vector AD, to find the value of the vector AD, it is D minus A. Okay, so D minus A equals the vector BC, and it means C minus B. Okay, so to get the coordinates of D, okay, the vector A will be going to other side by either sign. It will be positive. So it is C minus B plus A. And as you see here, C is 2, 3 minus B, which is 4 and -2, plus A, which is 2 and -2. So adding all of these together, the answer would be 0 and 3. Okay, so this is the coordinates of the point D. Try to solve this evaluation yourself.